Hi viewers, what's up you guys? This is Sajidz, and in this quick and short video tutorial I'm going to talking with you about how you can now increase your mobile internet connection more and more, and it will be increase your internet connection more and more in the legal way too actually. So what's that? To know about that you need to watch this video from the first to the last. Before starting this video, that our request, if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to give a credit to technical boss. So here I have copied that video from that person, so thanks a lot. So here I'm just going to say you 3 tips to make it good. So for that, the number 1 tips, this is for your device reset. So for that, here guys, in the settings option of your mobile phone, you will get there, and here you need to search something like reset. And here after just searching this type of reset, here you will get something like option reset network, reset mobile, reset Wi-Fi, this type of. So go to on this reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and the Bluetooth. In this mobile phone, here it will be like that. So here from you just select this, select SIM card to reset. Here is for my Airtel and the Robi Axiata. So in this case I want to reset both from here one by one. So go to on this, click on this, and here reset setting, and here it want my this pattern, and now click on this reset. It will reset everything from here. Now go to on this Robi Axiata, and from here I also reset those as I already logged in and used both from their internet connection. So here guys, this is the thing. Now the number 2, this is for your cleaning option. So most of the mobile phone nowadays, here you can get a cleaner option, like here you can, from which we can clean our mobile phone from here. So here in this case, in my mobile phone too, I have already a cleaner option, cleaner settings. So go to on this, and here you can see here a lot of junk file, and here it just consume those. Now click on this clean up. So here it will be our 3rd step to increase our internet connection more. So follow this step carefully. So go to on your settings option again from here, and here you can see you will get this option SIM card and the mobile network. This type of option you will get. Go to on this, and among this here, among those used SIM, by which SIM card you want to use your network internet, that time you need to go to on this SIM. So from here go to on this access point name. Here we will create another APN settings from here. So go to on this new APN, click here, and you can now edit your own APN one by one. Go to on this name in the first case, and here you need to give here a name called Grid 4G Tower, and here this will be like that. And now go to on this APN, and here this will be as a APN as 5G testing on tower, and here it will okay. Now go to here proxy port username and the password, it will be remain black. And now go to on the server, and here you need to give the server as a www.google.com, and here after that it's okay. Now go to on this okay, and now from here MMSC, MMS proxy, MMS port, this all will be blank. Go to on this MCC, and here give the MCC as a 405, okay. And from here go to this MNC, and here make it as a 870, okay. And here everything will be in the APN protocol. This will be remain IPv4/IPv6, and the APN roaming protocol IPv4/IPv6. So here this will be okay for you. And now go to on this, and you need to save this here. Go to on this save, and here after that it will be saved in your mobile phone, but there have some problems in my mobile phone, so it's not saved yet. So after that, here you need to choose this APN proxy like there, and after that it will work here too. And here from now you can also work with your this customized APN, and from this APN you will get more speed in your mobile phone too. guys, after watching this video and if you implement these tricks in your mobile phone too, that time what you feel, what's your achievement from this? Guys, if you feel that your internet connection is much better from this, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.